Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple cartoon for yourself. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload any video. Let's get started. So firstly, open your Adobe Draw app. Once your app is open, you click on the plus button over here to add a new project. So from here you choose a certain format or size, then you continue. For me, normally I always use the first one and second one. So you insert a picture by clicking on the plus button over here, image layer, on your device, or you can take a picture. You position it how you want it to be. Click done when you are finished. The first thing you need to do is that you reduce the opacity of your image to 85 normal. There's a lot of brush over here. You're interested in using artistic brush. You set a brush and then you pick a color for a brush. Turn off this and reduce 1 to 0%. You're okay. So choose a color for your outline. So from here, you bring in a new layer and draw on it. So draw layer. Now you create an outline, you draw it, you zoom in very well, reduce your brush size. Okay, let me show you how to draw over the nose. Start from here. Draw something like this. Create something small here. So let's turn off the image layer and see what we're doing. Let's create an outline. You're going to apply a color to the image. So you can see the hair is black, so you pick a black for the hair. You press and hold to fill in the color. So let me turn off the image layer so you can see what we're doing. Now see. So you press and hold, then you fill the color inside. Press and hold. For the lip, press and hold, drag it in the lip to pick a color. Pick a color. I like the pink guy. Press and hold, pick a color from the lip. Press and hold. Wow. Yeah. To apply the skin, you create a new layer by clicking on the plus button over here. Draw layer. You press and hold and drag it under the outline layer. Now you start to apply your color. You press and hold and drag it over your image to pick a color. A simple way to add the color, you double click on this layer to turn it off. You simply create a circle, then you press and hold to fill in the color. So you select your glade brush tool, then you clear the unwanted part. Take your time to clear everything. You can press and hold and then it vanish. Yeah, so this is how to create a simple cartoon for yourself.
anything, you can comment at the comment section below. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to like, bro. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, nice one there. So now we are done. We are cutting.